Hello, welcome to Illustrator, with Bronze Graphics. Window to control. Window, toolbars, to advance. Line segment tool. Drag and hold Alt button for copy. Select by holding Shift. Object to blend, hit on Make. Object to blend option. Right click, transform, to rotate. Drag and hold Alt button for copy. Select all, press Ctrl+A. Object to expand. Select and go to Shape Builder tool. Shortcut is Shift+M. Remove stock. Change fill color. Right-click to ungroup. Select by holding Shift. Ctrl+G for make it group. Remove extra shape. Subscribe, and press the bell icon to get upcoming video notification. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions. Follow me on social media. I upload interesting design using Photoshop, Illustrator. Love you all.